Welcome back, riders and enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the adrenaline-pumping world of motocross with the 2024 KTM 250 SXF Factory Edition. This beastly machine is poised to redefine the standards in the world of off-road dominance. Let's rev up and explore what makes this factory edition stand out from the crowd. The 2024 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition is a symphony of power and precision. The design seamlessly marries aesthetics with functionality, boasting a sleek frame and signature KTM orange accents. The heart of this machine is a finely tuned 250 cubic centimeters engine that's built to deliver maximum torque and horsepower, ensuring unparalleled performance on the track. The KTM also has elevated the tech found on these bikes, with the new Connectivity Unit Offroad (CUO) system, which allows riders to customize engine and suspension settings via the KTMConnect App. For enhanced performance analysis, an affiliation with LitPro enables riders to keep tabs on riding performance and lap times, allowing them to improve their racing strategy. The 250 SXF Factory Edition have been given enhancements to the frame that improve flexibility, reduce weight, and ultimately translate to better transfer of power to the ground. A new CNC milled orange anodized triple clamps mated to fully adjustable WP suspension allow riders to fine-tune the bike's handling to a T. The Brembo braking systems on the bikes have been refined with a stiffer rear brake pedal, a semi-floating front disc, and a carbon-reinforced brake guard for extra durability. The 2024 KTM SXF factory models get a titanium Akrapovic exhaust system, an upgraded intake system, and reduced weight for a better power-to-weight ratio. As a complement, these motorbikes will come with Red Bull KTM factory racing graphics, as well as various rider support options for those who want to get into the world of racing. In conclusion, the 2024 KTM 250 SXF Factory Edition is a testament to KTM's commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance and innovation in the world of motocross. With its formidable power, advanced technology, and rider-centric design, this bike is a force to be reckoned with, setting a new standard for excellence in off-road racing. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling ride through the features and capabilities of the 2024 KTM 250 SXF Factory Edition. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and exciting updates from the world of motocross. Until next time, ride safe and keep the throttle wide open.